Welcome back to Arena Auto. Today, we're diving deep into a machine that's redefining the concept of adventure on wheels, the all-new 2025 Kia 4X4 luxury camper van. Whether you're an off-road enthusiast, a digital nomad, or someone who just dreams of the open road, this beast is built to blow your expectations away. Let's kick things off with the exterior. From the very first glance, the 2025 Kia 4X4 camper doesn't just look like a van, it looks like a command center for exploration. It's rugged, aggressive, and yet incredibly sleek. The front fascia is completely redesigned with sharp LED matrix headlights, a wide grille with satin chrome finish, and a reinforced bumper that screams capability. The side profile showcases flared fenders, off-road tires, and aluminum alloy wheels, giving you serious overland vibes. And don't miss the roof. Solar panels are seamlessly integrated into a roof rack system that also supports cargo boxes, bikes, or even a rooftop tent if you want to level up. Now stepping inside, this is where the real magic begins. The interior of the 2025 Kia camper van feels more like a private luxury suite than a vehicle cabin. You're greeted with premium leather upholstery, mood-adjustable LED lighting, real wood trim, and soft touch panels all around. The front driver's cockpit is fully digital, a 15-inch ultra-wide touchscreen with split functionality, voice-activated controls, integrated navigation, and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Behind the wheel, the digital cluster displays off-road data, tire pressure, terrain modes, and even real-time GPS overlays. It's like having a smart assistant built into your dash. In the living area, the layout is nothing short of genius. You've got a modular sofa bed system that converts within seconds. Overhead storage compartments are soft close and lined with ambient light strips. There's a fully functional kitchenette with an induction stove, stainless steel sink, a 45-liter fridge-freezer combo, and a fold-out dining table made from sustainable bamboo. It's perfect for road meals or late-night editing sessions if you're creating content from the road. This camper van also features a built-in wet bath. Yup, you heard that right. There's a private enclosed bathroom with a shower, sink, and cassette toilet, complete with water filtration in a 50-liter greywater tank. There's also an integrated climate control system, solar inverter with 300 Ah lithium-ion batteries, and a shore power hookup. Basically, you're off-grid ready without compromising a single ounce of comfort. Now, let's talk about performance. This is not your average soft-roading van. Under the hood, the 2025 Kia camper is powered by a 2.5-liter turbocharged engine with hybrid assist, pushing out 290 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and an intelligent 4WD system, it tackles mud, snow, sand, and gravel like a champ. With multiple terrain modes, hill descent control, electronic locking differentials, and adaptive dampers, it gives you maximum control wherever the trail takes you. On the road, it drives smooth, surprisingly quiet for a camper van, thanks to enhanced sound insulation and acoustic glass. The suspension absorbs rough patches with ease, and cornering feels confident even when fully loaded. The regenerative braking system also contributes to fuel efficiency, giving you up to 28 miles per gallon combined, which is insanely good for a vehicle of this size and class. Safety-wise, Kia didn't cut corners. You're getting the full suite of ADAS features including adaptive cruise control, 360-degree surround view cameras, blind spot detection, forward collision avoidance, rear cross traffic alert, and lane keep assist. Plus, an emergency satellite SOS function is integrated for peace of mind during remote adventures. One of the highlights, the rear cabin has its own control hub. From here, passengers can adjust lighting, temperature, open or close the power blinds, and even mirror their smartphones onto the rear screen. There's also USB-C charging ports, wireless chargers, and even a small projector mount if you want to have a movie night under the stars. Let's not forget about connectivity. The 2025 Kia 4X4 camper van features built-in Wi-Fi with a dedicated antenna, OTA software updates, and even vehicle-to-load V2L capability, meaning it can power external devices like a coffee machine, e-bike charger, or camping lights right from the van itself. Now for the customization options. Buyers can choose from 3 trims: Base Adventure, Urban Luxe, and Off-Road Elite. Each offers different interior themes, wheel packages, roof accessories, and smart upgrades. You can also choose your battery configuration if you plan to spend more time off-grid. There's even a pet-friendly package with a secure travel kennel and a portable pet shower. Price-wise, the 2025 Kia luxury camper van starts around $72,000, with the off-road Elite topping out close to $88,000 fully loaded. Expensive? Maybe. Worth it? Absolutely, especially when you realize it's your hotel, SUV, workspace, and adventure base all in one. In summary, the 2025 Kia 4X4 luxury camper van is more than just a vehicle. It's a lifestyle upgrade, a freedom machine, and a bold statement that says you're ready for the world, on your terms. From city streets to rocky backroads, this van is engineered to go wherever your story takes you. That's it for today's detailed review. If you enjoyed this deep dive and want more premium vehicle insights, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. This is Arena Auto, and we'll catch you in the next ride. Safe travels.